Most people don't know that you can turn a cheap store-bought conditioner into a luxurious, nutrient-rich hair treatment, and it works for almost any hair type. If you've ever felt guilty buying £1 conditioner from the corner shop or the Poundland, don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you how to elevate them into a spa-worthy formula in few simple steps. And trust me, your hair will thank you. Start off with a regular, super affordable conditioner as the base. Then comes the magic. Add 2 to 3 tablespoonfuls of fenugreek powder, also known as methi. This is an ancient Ayurvedic secret loaded with proteins, iron, and nicotinic acid, which helps reduce hair fall, fight dandruff, and promote thicker, stronger hair. It also leaves your hair unbelievably soft and shiny, like buttery soft. I did experience this myself, so I know what I'm talking about. Anyway, next, add beetroot powder. And no, we are not cooking. Beetroot isn't just for smoothies. It's rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and iron, which nourishes the scalp and help combat hair thinning. Plus, it gives conditioner this pretty pinkish color that just feels luxurious. Once everything is mixed beautifully, add a small amount of castor oil, a powerhouse oil for promoting thicker, longer hair, locking in moisture and improving hair elasticity. Then add few drops of tea tree essential oil, which is fantastic for itchy scalp and keeping the follicles clean and unclogged. Basically, it's a detox for your roots. To boost growth even more, I added rosemary essential oil, proven to stimulate circulation and encourage hair growth. It's like taking your scalp to the next level. And just like that, we've transformed a basic conditioner into a luxurious customized treatment which is rich in nutrients and work for curly, coily, wavy, or straight hair. Feel free to tweak the ingredients based on your hair needs. You can add aloe vera gel for extra hydration or swap castor oil with coconut oil if your hair loves it more. This hack is all about you and your hair and what works for your hair. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with your loved ones, friends, and family. And also hit the like button to inform YouTube that you like the video. You can also subscribe and activate the bell button so that you don't miss any of my DIY beauty secrets. Because this is where we keep it natural, affordable, and glam. Oh, and don't click away yet. I recommend this video for you, and I have a whole playlist of DIY beauty hacks waiting for you. Go watch them, and I will see you soon. Thank you, love you, and have a great week. Bye for now. Bye.